morning to all. My name is Harshasya. I am studying in 2nd class, Amangal Grammar High School.
My name is Aishasri. I am studying in 4th class in Amangal Grammar High School.
My name is Sai Raghuva. I am studying in 6th class in Amangal Grammar High School.
Saraswati Namasubhyam Varade Kamarubini Vidyarambham Parishamini Siddhu Bhavatu Me Sada Padma Padma Vishalakshi Padma Kesaranadini Vidyam Padmavaya Devi Savam Patu Saraswati Manikyavena Vataranyarupini Matanasa Manjuvala Minasa Mahegari Gatruti Komaravini Matambatamya Manasa Saravini Cheturbhude Chandrakalangamse Kuchogate Kumkumara Kuchote Pande Shupasha Pusha Pushpara Namaste 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 Jagade